This is a review for the iEC 4-pack micro USB cable set in assorted lengths. You get two 3-foot cables and two 6-foot. So all the cables are exactly the same apart from the length. You can tell straight away that these are nice, good quality micro USB cables. They're also, a high speed, but high speed data cable for Samsung, HTC, just Android, or you can also use them for things like your headphones, smart bracelets, e-cigarettes. There's all sorts of use for these cables, and these are really nice. They've got the iEC logo on there. You've got a nice long plastic piece here for your fingers to pull them out instead of the short ones, because people end up using the cable and then they end up coming away here. Well, this is not going to happen with these. It's the same with the USB end as well. It's nice and big, and pull it out. Like I said, the cable itself is quality. You can tell straight away that they're not far better quality than these cheapos that you can get. These are really nice and sturdy. Everybody's got devices now that use micro USB, and these ones will increase the charge time up to 7%, which are 7% faster than other cables. With the 480 megabytes per second data transfer, so that's excellent. If you're charging up your device, any improvement is good in my opinion. You can see you've also got the 6-foot. I really like the longer cables myself. I like to be able to plug my device in, have it charging, and also have it on my chair next to us when I'm watching TV and stuff like that, So the 6-foot cables are great for me. Also 3-foot, I'm not complaining about the 3-foot ones either, because they're also excellent quality. So if you're after some micro USB cables, extra long 6-foot, normal 3-foot, then have a look at these ones, because they are really good quality. And if you've got, you paid a lot for your device, you might as well use the best, and these are really good. Thank you.